All right, hello everyone. Welcome to another year of DVTV. I'm Brendan Antrosiglio.
And I'm Kevin Zipay.
Hey, Kevin. Wait till we're done.
Oh yeah, sorry.
All right. So the producers of On Air, DVTV's mockumentary, wanted to come back and film us for another season.
You're doing great. Keep it up.
Thanks, Kevin. You know, Kevin, I really see why Connor Mills and Matt Tremino decided to host the show by themselves in previous years. It's just very frustrating to work with a co-host, specifically Kevin. So let's see what the producers of On Air have filmed so far.
Good job.
Theo, you have a question?
Oh, what are we doing for DVTV this year?
Theo, I'm so glad you asked that. The plan this year, if it's possible, we are going to go bigger and better because segments this year are bigger and better than last year. Last year was super successful. This year we're going to be even bigger. I see a lot more talent. I see a lot more segments. I know this is first period, but are you guys excited for DVTV this year?
No.
Not Kevin, you're shaking your head. Kevin, can I count on you?
I am so excited.
We have got to get everybody else as excited as you are, okay?
Yes, let's
Meet
go.
me in my office. Let's go. Let's go.
Yes, let's do it. DVTV?
Kevin, okay, what do we, you can, all right, let's show what we did last year.
Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated, all tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting. Had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing, didn't have a dime but I always had a vision, always had high hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living, didn't know how but I always had a feeling I was gonna be that one in a million, always had high hopes. Mama said, something for oddities, stranger Christmas, ain't ever wannabes, waiting the novelties that don't ever change. We wanted everything, stay up on that rise, stay up on that rise, never come down. Oh, stay up on that rise, stay up on that rise, never come down. Mama said, don't give up, it's a little complicated, all tied up, no more love, and I'd hate to see you waiting. They say it's all been done, but they haven't seen the best of me. So I got one more run, and it's gonna be a sight to see. Had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the stars when I couldn't make a killing. Didn't have a dime, but I always had a vision, always had high hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living, didn't know how, but I always had a feeling I was gonna be that one in a million, always had high hopes. Had to have high hopes for a living, shooting for the
Okay guys, so that was last year. That was a lot of stuff that we did, and that was kind of an overlook of the whole school. But last year, we have to do something new this year. New, something fresh, something innovative. You always want to be reinventing yourself, and that's what we're gonna have to do this year. Something new, and that'll make us great. It's gonna be absolutely great, but we have to start off with something new. Right out the box, we have to be new. Aiden, you were here last year. Give me something new. What do you got?
Well, actually, I'm doing the same thing I did last year.
The same exact segment?
Yeah.
Okay, well, people really did love behind the scenes, so let me take a look at what you got.
I was gonna do a cooking show, but you know, I ate all the food. Want a chicken wrap?
Okay, so going back to the new theme, anyone have anything new, any new segment? Andrea?
I have a brand new segment.
Brand new, something we have not seen before.
Brand new.
Completely, what's the idea?
It's a scavenger hunt.
I love it. Let's do it.
Welcome to Del Val Scavenger Hunt, where we challenge students in their riddle-solving skills as well as their knowledge of locations around Del Val. So, I set up scavenger hunts around the school with Del Val themed clues, and 2 teams are going to compete to win the prize at the final destination.
Andrea, that's what I'm talking about. That is an outstanding segment. Let's keep this rolling, moving forward. Who else has a new segment that we can see?
I can't wait to show Mr. Gregson my new segment idea. It's amazing. I've been working on it all summer. Mr. Gregson, you're gonna love this new segment I came up with.
Sounds great. All right, let's take a look. Let me see what you got.
Potato, 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 potato.
You like it?
Kevin, that was probably the worst segment I've ever seen, ever. I can't believe we only have one segment.
I worked all summer on it.
All right, guys, so far I've only seen one segment for the new DVTV season. That's not good. We need a lot more. Where's Ellis, our superstar producer? I need her to get through the show. Where's she at?
Gregson, Ellis is in college now. She was a senior last year. How did you not know that?
Ellis was a senior? I thought she was a sophomore.
Yeah, I really don't want to be in this class right now. Where are you? The cafeteria? Oh, I'll just see if I can get a pass or something.
We don't have Ellis. We're going to need somebody to produce the show. Raise your hand if you want to be the new show producer. Jillian, congratulations. You're the new DVTV producer.
What the
Okay, so now that Jillian is our new show producer, she's going to be our leader, she's going to take control of the show. Who else has a new segment that they'd like to show me?
Hello and welcome to School's Fools. I am Mike.
And I am Dan.
Our show is going to be about how not to do things around the school. For example, how to walk in the hallway.
Really, how hard can that be? Or proper etiquette in the lunchroom. Really, how hard can that be? It's gonna be a long year.
So, how well do you know Del Val?
Well, I'm Ashley Henderson.
Hey, I'm Kate Marinelli.
Del Val has a lot of different opinions,
And we're going to find out which ones are the most popular.
Do you want to know Del Val's favorite fry option?
Or what the students' favorite dog pound theme is?
Well, mine's regular or curly.
Pink out is my favorite theme.
Stay tuned for the next show to find out what Del Val's top answers are.
And you can play along to see if you know Del Val.
Welcome to Car Quiz. I'm Matt Rushak.
I'm Theo Mackey.
And I'm Sam Hansen. We all know seniors love their cars, but who knows their car the best? Is it you?
Class 2019, we challenge you to Car Quiz.
Do you think you have what it takes? Email us at this email below.
Okay, so we just saw the morning class. We saw the promos that they created for DVTV. Potato, notwithstanding, we're not counting that one. But in this class, the afternoon class, who thinks their promo is better than ones that we saw in the morning class? Oh, wow. There's a lot.
It's so crazy.
A lot better than the morning class. Megan, Maddie, you guys were here last year. What do you guys have?
So, we want to do a senior year bucket list.
A senior year bucket list. That sounds pretty good. Like, what are some things you do?
It's going to be crazy, Mr. Gregson. We're going to roller skate through the hallway and, like, anything we've always wanted to do.
Roller skate through the hallway?
Yep.
I guess as long as Mr. Wright's okay with it, I'm okay with it. It's good TV. But these guys with the sombreros, what? Is this a new fashion statement already? What do you got?
Yeah, we have a Sombrero Showdown as our segment.
What are you going to do in Sombrero Showdown?
We're going to have different kids do challenges with sombreros to make it harder, and we actually got you one, Mr. Gregson.
That is fantastic. I might teach my TD1s with this. Really throw them for a loop. Sokolvo, what's up with yours?
It's the Sombrero of Shame.
The Sombrero of Shame? What's that mean?
Well, the losers of the contest actually get it, so.
I don't know if you want that, but sounds like an interesting segment. Let's take a look.
Hello and welcome to Sombrero Showdown. Sombrero Showdown is when fierce competitors go head to head, but with a twist.
They must wear a sombrero on their head while doing different challenges.
The winner of each challenge will receive the golden sombrero. However, the loser will receive the Sombrero of Shame.
Make sure to tune in for
Sombrero Showdown.
Mine!
Yo, what's good?
Dano, I got an idea.
Alright, what's happening?
Yes, that's it. That's the name of the show.
Alright, well, you only got a name?
No, I've got a concept too, Dano.
Alright, well, what's the concept?
Alright, so get this. We go around and we talk to students and staff.
Okay.
And then we ask their opinion on upcoming events, movies, and other things in pop culture.
Alright, that's cool, but can I put my 2 cents in too?
Of course you can. We both can. Duh.
Alright, cool. Get over here, let's work on it.
Alright, see you then.
Alright.
Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Double Talk.
Welcome to Double Talk.
My name is Will Pierce.
And I am not Will Pierce.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I'm Jonas Einhorn.
I will interview you about current topics.
And I will interview you about whatever I want.
No, we need to stay on topic.
I want to go off topic.
Fine. Welcome to Double Talk. I'm your host, Will Pierce, and I will interview you about current topics.
And I'll interview you about whatever I want.
Just keep it school appropriate.
Of course.
Alright guys, all of these segments look amazing. This is absolutely fantastic. I am super excited for this year in DVTV. Gonna look outstanding. But we're coming near the end, so I need to know, last call, anybody have any ideas? Any last segments they want to show me?
Mr. Kevin, I got one more idea for you.
You have one more idea?
Yeah.
Okay, this has nothing to do with potato, correct?
No, completely different.
Completely different than potato potato.
Yes, Mr. Gregson.
When I'll walk over there and take a look at your segment, but I want to see something brand new.
Yeah, it's gonna be brand new.
All right, I'm coming over. I better not see anything like the last one that we saw. Let me see. Let's go.
New.
Completely different.
Tomato, 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 tomato.
Carlin.
Yeah.
That's almost literally the same exact thing.
No, this is different, Mr. Gregson.
How is this different than potato potato?
Well, I added an extra picture of a tomato, which adds to the segment. That took a long time. And also, a tomato is a fruit and a potato is a vegetable, so they're completely different segments.
I don't know. Would it be mean if I dropped Kevin down to TV1?
All right, everybody, I'm super excited for DVTV this year. You guys produced some outstanding segments. That was a great preview show. We are gonna have a lot of fun. Viewers are gonna love it. Really nice work. So let's get this year started. First, I need to see you in my office.
Yep, sure thing.
Potato, potato, tomato, tomato.
Thank you.